How to fix substantial pitting before epoxy installation.
Pit here in the concrete. So what we do is we brace this off. We got a fast two-set epoxy here. We're gonna mix this up, and we're probably gonna have to do a couple treatments so you can see the final product when we get everything wrapped up. Basically what we're gonna wanna do is pour this in here, kind of let it start taking the shape of the pitting. See, as it runs in here, it's gonna go to the lowest spot, and our brace right there is gonna hold it in.
This quick set epoxy is rated for 1,500 pounds per square inch.
Alright, so now that we have a few layers of this quick set epoxy down, what we're going to do is we're going to grind it and kind of sculpt it into the shape that it should be, and after that we'll be good to put the epoxy and the flake down. So as you can see here, after we grinded it nice and smooth, and we're ready to apply our polyaspartic and flake on top of it, and this will all be covered and you won't even know it was there.
Much better.